Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how to change your phone wallpaper on iOS or iPhone like less than 5 minutes. So the first thing you have to do, open your phone and let's jump into the settings part. You just need to go click it. Whenever you are in the setting, you just need to like slide into the downside, scrolling down until you find wallpaper. And you just need to go click this part, and after that there will be shown here the current wallpaper that you use. But then if you want to change it, there will be two ways. You can just go click this add new wallpaper, or you can also slide into the left side so that there will be having access to create a new one. And after you have this pages, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that you just need to go click the photo, and now you need to click this all part and find the wallpaper that you want to have. For example, this one. And after you're done, you just need to like adjusting everything. You can also adjusting the size by pinch with two of your finger to make it bigger and drag it into the inner side to make it smaller. You can also adjusting the mode by just by like slide into the left side. But then if you're already satisfied with the first mode, you just need to go click add. Don't forget to confirm that you want to set this as a wallpaper pair. And here you go. Your current wallpaper is already changed, so this is your wallpaper now. That's the way how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial is really useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel for more videos tutorial.